videos. My name's Steph. This is Nade. She has decided she's going to do my Halloween makeup. So that is what we'll be doing on this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.
First, I'm going to spritz her face with rose water that I've made. Just boil rose petals in some water.
Smells nice.
Massaging.
Ah, it's burning!
Shut up!
Sorry, everybody. Go, Nadine.
Then I'm going to go in with Avon's True Colour foundation. I'm trying to be a beauty guru.
Go, Nadine. It's cold.
Wow, I'm really pale compared to you.
Mine is Halloween. I'm allowed to be pale.
I'm just pale all year round.
Just my little Snow White.
Yes. Apart from I don't have cherry red lips and black hair, but
A bit tickled. Yeah. I don't. Dab that. Dab. Dab on those hating
Mum,
colours.
shut up.
Don't taste too nice.
I haven't tasted it, so I've never tried to eat foundation before, so
I won't recommend it.
you don't know if it's toxic or not. So
Oh, God. Ow. Poison to be.
I'm melting. I don't know how the melting bit came in, but it's something. A pocket full of what?
I don't know. The boys are singing upstairs. Pocket full of something.
Well, they started singing posies and then they went into something else and
I hate to guess.
whatever. Then I'm gonna go in with concealer and
We don't know what it is because
Vomit.
all the rain's
all the
wiped
rains
off.
come off.
It's a concealer.
It's a collection one, but I don't remember what the type of concealer is. But it's collection.
Collection. Collect me, Brian Nadine. Do I need my eyeballs open?
No.
Ooh. These stalls ain't very comfortable.
No.
Especially when you've got a big ass.
I honestly don't put concealer on the T-zone because I'm already white there. Like, there's no point in adding even more, like, stuff to cover up the T-zone. What I'm trying, there's no point for me. It doesn't come out right when I try and explain, but whatever. I mean, it looks exactly the same. What am I doing? Bronzer, that's what I'm doing. I'm going in Collections Bronze Glow Matte
Stuff.
Beauty Guru. And I'm going in with a
brush.
contour brush.
It's a brush.
It's whatever.
It's a brush.
I'm trying to be a beauty guru.
Go, lady.
I'm trying to.
She's trying to be Jeffree Star.
Yeah.
Not
Hi,
literally
how
be
are
Jeffree
ya?
Star.
I mean, I wouldn't mind being Jeffree Star. He's rich.
He has yellow hair.
He doesn't have yellow hair.
He does. His new video, he's got yellow hair.
His new video, he has yellow hair.
On the thumbnail, He's got yellow hair and he's with Sean.
Sean?
Shane, that's the
Oh
one.
my bloody god. I can't believe
Shane,
you.
not Sean.
Oh,
He's
yeah,
with
I'm having a
Shane.
look.
He
I
has
can't
yellow
believe-
hair.
I can't believe
And
that, Mum.
and they've done one eye each. And he has yellow hair.
1 minute.
We can only make this video 15 minutes long, mate. Sorry, Shane.
Jawbreaker. When he does jawbreaker.
Yeah.
That's a wig!
Alright, he's got a wig on. He's bright yellow.
He has blonde hair.
I know he does. But he had yellow hair in that one.
Oh yeah, and you know when you said that his boyfriend Nate had orange hair, I did see it.
See? Told you.
I don't really know if it's his best colour that he's had, but it is quite nice. I do like the green. No one knows what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
But I can't wait until that new palette
She's talking
comes out.
about Jeffree Star.
Styles.
Star. He is my star, right? Jeffree
Star.
right? Boyfriend. He had orange hair in one of his videos. See, right? But she prefers him having green hair. Go. Does this make me look skinnier?
I don't know.
Oh.
It doesn't make me any skinnier.
Does it make me? You're really skinny. Can it make me look 10 years younger? No.
I make myself look older wearing makeup, so I don't really know. Just
get on with it.
yeah. No, but the thing is, I will not wear any makeup, and people are like, "Oh my god, you look 16," and I'm like, "No, I'm 15." And then I put a little bit of makeup on, and like, "Oh yeah, you look 18." And then I do a full face, and they're like, "Oh, are your cousins your kids?"
Full face.
What? Don't think so. Yeah, that was really embarrassing. They were my age, and they asked me if my cousins were my kids. No, don't know. Could do your nose.
Oh god, someone's coming. Here comes one of the rat bags. Which one is it?
I don't know.
Is it a big one or a little one?
I'm going to wear lips badly.
Tickles.
I know. I actually rush my makeup when going to school, so
I like wearing
I come out with like a squiggly nose. No, because my nose is quite weird. I have Dad's nose, but it's like it's ballish at the end.
So is mine. Isn't it?
You have a nice nose. Mine's
Come and have you up. Get on with this makeup.
I don't know what I'm doing.
You're supposed to be turning me Halloweeny, or are we just doing nice makeup?
I'm telling you Halloween.
Oh, I'm going to be.
Take your bloody time.
Alright.
I'm taking my time.
Why do you want me to shut my eyes?
Hello.
Open my eyes, shut my eyes.
Close your eyeballs.
Oh, tickles.
Stop moving.
Hum. How can you have tickly eyebrows? Yeah. Sorry, but it tickles.
I could go for intensity work.
Shut up, you.
I think everyone in our family kind of sounds like a witch though, so I can't really say anything. No offence, but when I laugh, I sound like a witch, and I've noticed that some people in my family do sound like witches, so... Halloween! What?
Halloween!
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 I honestly,
Halloween.
I really want to watch that new Addams Family that's come out.
Halloween. I looked at some of the Addams Family costumes when I was in Lakeside, and they were rubbish.
Oh, I'd rather go and get something that's like actually good.
They were really rubbish. Consider how much money they were.
No, but I actually
I'm
know
slipping
that
off the stool. I bet I'm falling asleep.
a lot of people are probably going to go and see Adam's Family because they're coming out this year. I don't know how I rushed this before going to school. I'm just hanging.
Someone's coming. I just would. No, carry on. He's dabbing.
Don't you dare say it.
Say what?
You.
Dream of saying.
You said it when I was doing your foundation.
I would dream of saying dab on those haters.
Mum! This is what I have to put up with. Don't worry, Dad's worse. He may be all like innocent and quiet, but he's a pain in the arse.
He's a pain in the what?
Backside. Demon the time. What next? What eyeshadow? What am I doing?
I don't know. If you don't know what you're doing, how am I supposed to know?
I don't know. How am I going to start this? Right. Going in with...
She's going in.
My Obsession palette. Ooh, it's all dirty.
Yeah, because she's used it
I
loads.
love it. It's good and cheap and good. Yeah. Alright. I'm going in with the colour. 1706. Right here. I am beauty guru. I actually really like this colour.
I just realised I was pouting. What was pouting? Pounding. No, you know when you pout. Why was I pouting? You weren't doing my lips, were you? So why am I pouting?
I don't know. She wants to be Kim Kardashian.
Yeah.
Kylie. Then I'm gonna go in the crease.
I'd like her ass.
It's fake. It's so bad.
Did
it's
she
like,
pay for it?
Yeah.
She paid for
It's
her
like
ass.
Nicki Minaj's bum. It's really, really bad. Like, really bad.
Alright, I like her money.
Right, then I'm going to go in
And her hair. Yeah, go on, so.
in the crease with the colour Mama's Girl.
Yes!
Because
Gold mama's girl.
I am a Mama's Girl. It's like it's slightly more darker and greyish, and it's got a bit of sparkle in it. Lovely sparkle.
I like a bit of bling. All girls should have a bit of bling. Oh, bling is everything. Oh yeah.
I've got that year 11's
Everyone's
sleepover in like a couple of months, but there's
She's having a sleepover in the school.
yeah, there's like hardly anything to do. We can't eat anything because it's actually a fast. So I'm going to have to survive on iron tablets and water. I'm probably going to be really, really bad. I'm going to have to wake up at like 3 o'clock and have this huge mass breakfast that's going to last about 3 hours because I'm going to be able to survive. And then what is there to actually do when we have the sleepover? We're going to have a fashion show, that's all I know, and there's going to be a ghost tour around the school because school's haunted. But what else could we do?
Read.
I was thinking...
Revise.
Because I was thinking, like, we could do Just Dance.
Hide and seek.
Yes. And then we could watch a movie, because all the girls want to watch Woman in Black, because I was talking about
Right,
it. They
give them
wanna
all
see
nightmares before they go to bed.
It made me